We're live. Cool.
We're live. Now I need to change the title. So okay, so um, third party dependency uh, journey for our game in Common-Lisp. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Let's go then. So what do I do here?
Yeah, so you go to the. Oh shit! Sorry, I switched to Windows somehow. You go to the not here. Ignore this. Oh wait, don't ignore this. He said he needs a feature. Oh no, he doesn't need a feature. He has OpenGL 3.3 mode. You do this thing. You do quell -dist install dist and then this thing.
Quell.dist you said?
No, quell -dist install dist. He has it in his installation and loading guide.
Oh, this.
Yeah, this whole thing.
Um, no. Yes. Uh-huh.
Press enter.
Ah,
Okay, and
cool.
now you just do quell quick load trivial game kit.
Trivial.
Quote.
Oh, sorry. Trivial game kit. Like that?
Yep. Now it might take him some time to actually,
Okay,
you
so
know.
what is this? I'm assuming this is a library to help you do game development?
Yeah, it's like a simple. Oh my God! While I was talking to you.
What?
So remember how I thought there is a problem with installing SBCL on NixOS.
Yeah,
This is what I thought,
yeah.
and so I asked in the Common-Lisp Discord about how to do this,
Mm-hmm.
and what they did is they added me to a giant thread with thousands of messages of people discussing how to install SBCL on like every system that is not, GUIX and NixOS, and some systems I've never heard about. For some
Ah,
reason, the last message is about GUIX, and yeah, well, we've already done that part, so let's not
unable to
bother.
load foreign library.
Oh yeah, unable to load foreign library. It's libglfv. So you can try to ignore this for now. Do you have this libglfv installed?
I
This is
don't believe
something.
so.
Yeah, not here, not in Lisp. This is not a Lisp library. This is like a C library.
Ah. Okay. So let's try the following. Let's QE Emacs. Let's go back to the terminal. Let's go back to this terminal. Let's exit this, and now let's discover how to install that. So
libglfv.
what's the name of the library?
libglfv or something like that. You should have
libgl.
exited Emacs.
Oh yeah,
Just so
that's
we
it.
can.
That exists. That exists. So it's just a matter of libgl.
Yeah.
Okay. Emacs here. Okay. Now we can go to whatever. This Sly.
Yeah, and just run load trivial game kit again. It has the history. You can just Alt P and it will show you the
Global
previous.
company.
Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. Alt P
Yes.
now.
Quick load. We need to do all the things again, right?
No. Just trivial game kit.
Trivial game kit.
Now it needs to check
The
this
loader
stuff
tried
again.
loading the symbol name blah into the package name blah, but the package did not get defined and does not exist.
What? Wait. But the package didn't. Can you like show the full error? try to load the symbol named X into the package named Letris. But I mean, there's no Letris. He's not supposed to even know that the Letris exists yet.
Maybe that's because we did the quick load inside Letris before or something?
No. It doesn't change state. It doesn't care about like, it doesn't change the state of the files. It only changes the state of his internal image. But the package didn't. What does he want to say? Can you like scroll it to the right a little bit?
Scroll to the right. What do you mean? Oh, you mean horizontally speaking?
Yeah. But the package didn't get defined and does not exist. What? No, like, I get what he's saying, but like, why does he care about this? Oh, maybe, oh my god, is that somehow connected to this whole NixOS thing again? It tries to maintain some sort of like, is that because, so maybe it is because what you said before, maybe it is because you tried to quick load it.
Okay, so
yeah.
let's try that again. Oops.
No, don't do this. Press 0. Press 0.
0.
Okay. Execute. Press 0 again. Okay, and try just spamming 0 because it will. Okay. Unable to load foreign library. GLFV.
Oh, this is the same problem as we had before. Oh, this is not libgl, dude. This is X11.
Oh, X11. Don't close Emacs. Oh, but you'd have to close Emacs, right?
I have to close Emacs to provide.
Okay, yeah. Just please exit just put the cursor on more and exit the debugger properly. Yeah, with abort with a star.
12.
No, 11. What? Okay, you can just press them with the mouse.
Oh. Okay. Oh, I did it wrong, right? I pressed the 12. Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, so let's do this, do that. All of this would not be a pain if we had the Nix file working, but because we don't, we're gonna have to do it like this. Okay, so you need X11 to use this library. Sure. So let's think. So now I do what? Emacs this.
Yeah, you can just run sly. You don't have to open the file.
Sure.
You don't need the file.
Sly.
And you can just
global company.
Oh yeah.
Company mode. No. Global.
And you can just
company mode. Yes. And then
you can just
quick this.
Try it just to see if it works.
Trivial.
Okay.
Game kit, like that, right?
Yeah. I just want to see if the history works. Okay. What else it works? Cannot open shared object file.
Yeah, cannot open shared object file, no such file directory. So apparently I am not providing a libx11 the correct way, which is something that I expected, to be honest, because libx11 is the thing that it took me 2 sessions on the C project that I did with Magita to accomplish. So let me see how we did it back then, because we managed to fix this sort of thing.
So you already worked with libx11.
Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so let me try a thing. So let's close this. And, no, not that. This. So instead of this, I'm gonna also provide libx11. I think .dev.
Oh, might be the case, yes.
Okay, Emacs. Okay, Sly. Global company. Quick.
Come on, just try it.
Quick load trivial game kit go.
What
Nope.
else?
Same
Nope.
problem. Same problem as before. So whatever I am doing it wrong, it is related to this cannot open shared object. Quick Lisp, software, GL, FW, blah 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 blah. Let me search for this name though. So let's see. So what is libgl fw whatever? Fw. Have you used this library before?
Oh yeah, let me actually. Yeah, I have used it, but let me try to.
G L F W. Cannot open shared. Blah blah blah. I'm starting to think this is a thing that we need to install using Quick Lisp, dude.
Uh, okay, let's see. I doubt it strongly because this is a, just like, how to put it, it's just a C library that needs to be available, and that's it. There's nothing more to it. You cannot install C libraries with a Quick Lisp,
Yeah, but which library it is? It is libx11.
I think it's a libx 11. I'm trying to load it right now on my machine just to see. I have Debian, of course, so.
Hello game kit, blah blah blah. Are these examples of games?
Yeah.
Wow.
These
That's
are just simple, like pet project games, not like real games.
no. Even if it's only example games, they're not real like AAA
No,
predict.
no, it's not AAA, but it's not even, it's the games like Tetris or Snake or something like that.
Yeah,
Maybe
that's
something more
which
complicated.
no. There's a shooter here.
Well, yeah, but I expect it not to be, anything particularly remarkable. But yeah, people make games with this. There is a Lisp game jam starting right now. So in the requirements, it says that it needs. If I'm trying to
Oh,
load it,
OpenGL is in here.
yeah.
So let's see that OpenGL. Okay, so OpenGL utility library. That seems like a good idea.
Mm-hmm.
So there's a bunch of Haskell ones because of course Nix.
Mm-hmm.
There's benchmarks. Okay, so OpenGL library using Nix. Yes, okay, there's a wiki page for it. Testing, no, no. We can enable OpenGL by setting hardware.opengl.enable equals to true. OpenGL must break purity due to the need for hardware-specific linkage. Intel, AMD, and NVIDIA have different drivers, for example. On NixOS, these libraries are sym-linked under this. And optionally, blah blah blah. When a program is started in your environment, these libraries should be found automatically. However, this is not the case in Nix shell. To fix, add this line to your shell.nix. Uh-huh. Okay, so there it appears that it requires a change in my, but that doesn't make sense. Okay, let me try first the naive way.
Okay.
Let me close this. Let's exit this. Let's also provide what is the name that I said before? Lib whatever, it was something like that. Yeah, this libglu. Okay, so this is the OpenGL utility library, what I just installed and provided in the environment. Maintainers, blah 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 blah. Oh, there is these packages with OpenGL. Uh-huh. There's a thing called CL OpenGL. I think CL is for Common-Lisp.
Might be the case, yes.
Uh-huh. So I'm not completely sure. Oh, wow. Okay, there are multiple versions of this thing. Okay. So which version is this guy asking for? 2.1.
No, he's asking for 3.3.
No,
He
no, no.
says 3.1 or 3.3 plus.
Yeah, but 2.1 I can provide.
Oh, but and 3.3 you cannot.
No, well, the version here is saying. The version here is saying. Okay, the description is not actually telling me the version of this one. Okay, screw it then. Let's try for this one first. So, exit. Let's try these packages. New SBCL packages. CL OpenGL. Oh, dude. Okay.
Oh yeah, wow. This is Lisp output, by the way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So now, assuming this is the one that I actually don't know the version of this one. There is a 2.1 version later that we can try, but anyway. So now we can try Sly.
And
Then
just
we can
LT.
try
Please, come on, man.
quick load
Come on.
trivial.
Why don't you want to use history?
Oh, this has history?
Dude, come on. I've told you this like 5 times already.
No, wait. Then repeat. Then I misunderstood what you said before then.
Alt P. Or MP or whatever you call it.
MP.
No, meta P.
Oh,
Yes.
this is what you mean by history. And no, I didn't fix it.
Same thing.
Yeah, so let's try the other one. That it is 2.1. So it is CL GLFW OpenGL version 2.1. Okay, so we are doing a bunch of stuff. Emacs, this.
Okay, now before running the quick load, you need to run this because it's OpenGL 2.1. You need to run this thing. I think here.
Okay, so push new BODGL2 features.
Yeah, now you can try to coordinate.
Meta P twice.
Yes.
And no luck. Okay, so this is a problem. This is definitely a problem that I need to investigate related to my NixOS system. So I think we should change gears here. You should drive today.
Okay, yeah. Well, here's the problem. I'm trying to load this trivial game kit thing right now, and it's taken like 5 minutes. Although I realized that I had it in my local project, so it was trying to load that. So I removed it because it was probably an old version. And now it's trying to load it from the internet, and it's taken another 5 minutes, and so far nothing happened. That is to say, let me actually try to git clone and see if it helps. Okay, git clone this one. Okay, so it's not that big of a deal. Okay, let me restart Lisp now.
Okay.
Let's see.
I'm gonna have to think about. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research to discover how modern people using NixOS do Common-Lisp.
Well, yeah, this is one issue, and the other issue is, okay, yeah, so it takes some time, but at least on your machine, it gives this error, and on mine, it just like, I don't know, does it hang? I don't think it hangs. But what does it do? Let me see. Clean up, continue, click configuration. Okay, whatever. Can you try to load it again? It just hangs. I can share my screen 1 second.
Yeah,
Chris.
I'm gonna remove mine.
So this, for example, and share my screen. This one. So as you can see, like.
Okay, so now it is doing a load.
Yeah, it's doing a lot, but it's like this for like a couple of minutes already.
Yeah, but I think it's loading instead of, because what I was doing before, I think I was downloading it or linking or
Yes, but
whatever.
yeah, but like maybe it's building the whole C thing as well. But like that is weird, and I don't think that's the case because those are shared libraries, right?
Yeah, that is weird for sure.
Okay, let's see. I can ask him in multiple places, but like I really want to use this one because it's just.
No, let's try it. And I'm okay with spending some time with it,
I've
installing
used
good
it.
dependencies.
Yeah, I mean, I used it before and it was good. It's like it's really what we're looking for in
Yeah,
terms of parameters.
yeah, exactly.
Let
So
me
I need
actually.
help to make a Nix and environment for Common-Lisp. Okay.
Okay, let's see what is it now?
No,
Man, I think.
this is still loading, whatever it is doing.
Yeah, I think it hanged. I think it hanged because let me restart it and let me try to quickly run it from console because this way it can be faster. Quick load, trivial, game, kit. Okay, while this happens, because like, okay, what
Wait,
is
didn't it
this?
work?
No, it's just I restarted this thing. It didn't work. The reason why it's there is because I restarted it. See, it restarts in a very early process.
Oh, okay.
So what I was trivial game CL Bodge, yeah. Okay, let me try this. Code CL Bodge. Alright, this one for a change.
Okay, whatever it's doing, it's.
I don't like that it doesn't do anything. I have my suspicions. Like, let's see what mirror does he use for his. Can I connect to this thing? Oh, I can. Okay. And there's a file here. Quite a few of them. Okay, so at least I thought that maybe I don't have connection, but then it would be an error or something.
Yeah. While you do that,
And
I'm gonna try to take a look on the I don't know, on the code that uses the library.
yeah, you take a look there.
Button pressed. Uh-huh.
Where is this documentation? I just had it. I just had his open. Oh yeah, documentation.
I'm pretty annoyed that at least this game that I'm looking at, it does not have any screenshots of the game.
Well, you mean the like Hello Game Kid game?
No, the note, not alone again.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the one that is the shooter.
Okay.
So it doesn't have like. I need to teach marketing to these people. That's basically it. Let me try to see another game.
Pong fight.
Oh, this one does.
Where? Which one?
Nature of Code.
Oh, Nature of Code does, yeah.
That's fancy. So, examples and exercises implemented in Trivial Game Kit. What is the nature of code? Oh, I think I know this book. Wait, do I know this book? Oh, no, I do know this book, I think. This is the one that my advisor told me to read that I didn't read yet. This is cool. Okay, that's cool.
I think it's the only one that has the the screenshots.
Yeah, dude. I need to teach marketing to these guys.
Video on YouTube that follows the documentation is cool. Oh, okay, I know these people. Function programming. They draw a square on the freaking screen and they are rotating. Which, yeah. So what, like, one of the reasons I want to recommend this is that, like, with this you can make your 3D Tetris game that you wanted.
No, that's really cool. So it's scalable.
Yeah, because with the, like with stuff in the terminal, you know, it's really hard to model the 3D stuff. But with this one, you can do it. It's not
Yeah, we do have plans at least to make the visuals 3D. Like we can make like if we have this team, like if we have the enthusiasm to actually implement the 3D version of Tetris, let's just go. But I'm not 100% down on it.
Okay, so this is the user manual, which is
Advanced features. What classifies an advanced feature? Okay, so apparently cross-platform is an advanced feature. Travis CI, which I don't know what it is, but
Travis CI is like I think something that you set up on your project to like to have a CI. CI, do you know what CI is? It's
yeah,
like you know.
yeah, continuous integration.
Yeah. So it tests your project for you and does
Yeah.
stuff like this.
Okay, that's cool.
Okay, let
Oh,
me
it is
ask.
saying in the beginning, continuous integration and deployment, so it's CI/CD. And there's also a thing called CI bodged, which is an API apparently, and apparently
CL
gives
board.
you, yeah, it gives you more power.
Yeah. So trivial game kit is just like a wrapper around the CL bodge thing, which is what I'm trying to load right now. If you pay attention to what my screen says,
Oh
I
yeah, yeah,
thought
yeah.
it
That's
maybe
what you're trying to load there.
yeah. Trivial game kit.
Oh, dude. The mini buffer is saying something. You see there?
Clean up the recent. Oh no, this is just Max saying that he like cleaned some caches for me and like
Oh, okay.
yeah. What I don't like here is that if I try to interrupt it, do the restartable interrupt, it hangs. See?
Mhm.
Oh wait, okay, this is in Russian, but like this one, see? It should stop and give me a restart, because it hangs.
Yeah.
Let me see if I have. Oh,
What?
okay. Okay. So this. Okay, let me post it here first. So apparently this happens. Yeah, there is an issue.
There's an issue. Okay.
Yeah, which I wouldn't see in this. So what happens is this. Let me paste it to the chat so you can see it as well. I put. So I started loading it like on the background in the just in the console in just run SBCL there and did a quick load. And what it says now is this. Not great.
Control stack exhausted. Pseudo atomic fault. What
Yeah,
the heck is that?
yeah. So this is most likely related to some CFFI stuff. I asked people again in Discord in chat.
Real time consultancy.
Yeah. Fortunately, they're very responsive, but this one I don't know if people can help us solve. I have an issue. Oh, I have an idea. Okay, so what is it here? Quit, I think. Is it still? Okay, let's do this. Yes. Okay, SBCL. No, not SBCL itself. So it says control stack exhausted, which is something I understand, and it's something that I don't understand. But let's pretend that the issue is that it runs out of memory, which is understandable because SBCL only provides by default access to 1 gigabyte of RAM.
Ah,
So
that may be the problem then.
yeah, let me check if then yeah, dynamic space size is what it wants. Let me give it some more. Okay, dynamic space. Okay, so SBCL, dynamic space size. What do I want to give it? 10G, I think. Okay, is it this? Okay, so it's apparently not this. What is the like? Okay, this one's crashed. This is why it hangs.
Yeah.
It restarted. What's the like? Okay, no, what was my idea? Yeah, right. I'm stupid. Okay, so now quick load trivial game kit. Okay, while this happens, what else can we do?
We can try to look at the already implemented games or the documentation, I don't know, and see if we can
Yeah.
find like, because the initial thing that we need to implement is how do you do the time management?
Yeah. Do you even have an idea how to do that theoretically?
Yeah, like can we see a piece of code that is like it has an idea of having ticks, that one tick at a time is going on, and then every single tick you apply you have a function going on to like manage the state of the game or whatever.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Okay, so what is this thing? This is
I'm looking at the Hello Game Kit one.
mm-hmm. Let's see. Hello game. Where is it? Oh my God, don't put me here.
Define
Yeah,
image,
hello
define
game.
sound. If this is
Nice.
OpenGL, I'm assuming this is only like this is gonna open a window to run the game.
Yes.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay, there is a every time system starts, we need to rebind actions. There's a comment about that. Post initialize.
Where do you look at the code?
I'm looking at gamekit.lisp.
Okay, assets. No, wait, assets is not that.
No.
Oh, just hello game kit. List.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me open it here. I think is it
When the
quick
left
list?
mouse is pressed, update snake's head's position. Okay, I need to understand what is a curve. What is a curve? Oh, it's an
Code.
array. It's an array. Okay.
Okay. Real game kit. Nope.
This
Local
is the entire
project.
logic of the game, like 86 lines. Wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, like I'm
Oh,
I'm feeling like in Haskell again. That's cool.
yeah, because it's heavy wrapper on the. Okay, no, control stack exhausted, same thing.
That's
So
sad.
unfortunately, yeah, but the author is still active. It's not like he abandoned it or anything. So fortunately, I can ask them if it works or not.
Yeah.
But and I already did. I pinned him in the Discord.
No, that's fine.
But
It's part of the process of third-party dependencies.
yeah, let's
Uh,
see.
update
CL
position.
Bodge, for example. CL Bodge. Okay, well, he finished it, I think. Let me check one more thing. So just you know, just to see where's the trial. Right, trial engine. Okay, so here's the thing. Is it on QuickLisp? I
Oh.
don't know. Let's see. Quell, quick load, trial. System
Oh,
tree space
dude.
is not found. What?
Okay, so this is a little bit weird. So there is no, no, keep doing your thing. Keep doing. I can explain this later.
Yeah.
I'm just impressed that I think the snake game that they did as a hello, it is using the time inside the game. Like the time is actually a thing that they use to manage actions inside the snake, which is a little weird.
Where is system trial?
Mm-hmm.
System trigger space is not found. Yeah, so I have another game engine in mind, which should work. One second.
Mine button. Oh, there is a function called play. Sneaky grab. Here.
Hmm. Oh my god, is that? Is that my fault? Wait.
Did you
That
discover
might be
something?
because, well, people are asking me like legitimate questions, which is okay. Well, they said, might it be the case? Okay, quit Lisp. 1 second. Might it be the case that your SBCL is broken? And I mean, it shouldn't be, but the thing is, I'm on what I call nightly SBCL, which is just the freshest image of SBCL from GitHub instead of what they want to release. So, let me just in case.
SPCR is broken. Oh, dude, this is so like us. Like, oh, dude, what are the chances?
Well, yeah, because I'm on this, nightly thing, and this is not what they want to release. So, if something weird is not working properly, and they broke it during the month, and then they fixed it again, and I just didn't pull, then it's on me.
Yeah, but even then, like, oh, I was using one of the bleeding edge versions, and it turns out that this version specifically had a bug.
Yeah, well, it would be stupid if this is what happens.
Well, we're gonna know it shortly, I guess. You're
Yeah,
gonna
yeah,
pull right now, right?
yeah. I'm already installing it.
That was awesome. Uh,
Somebody in chat already managed to download it properly.
oh, okay. So okay, I see.
Yeah. Okay. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna read. So there is this thing, which I just want you to like show that it exists, so make you aware
Mhm.
of it. This is another game engine, which
Trial.
is what was used to create this game on Steam called Candria, and it
Wow.
has screenshots and everything.
Candria. What the? Wow. This is written in Lisp.
Yes.
Okay, that's kind of impressive, being honest.
Yeah, but it's probably like a little bit too much for our needs.
Oh no, definitely.
It, it's it's cool, but
No, yeah, but that's pretty cool. Like, people are Lisp like is not as dead as I thought, I guess.
yeah, it's not. I don't know. Like languages are dead, I guess, when everybody loses interest in them, and this one is not dead because of a lot of people not have not lost interest in it. That's my opinion. Like it's not as popular as many languages, but it's not dead, and it will not be dead as long as there is no better thing in its field. And I don't see anybody even trying to make something better in this field, so
The
it will
field of
not die
game
until
development,
then.
you say?
No, I think the field of like this interactivity when developing and this highly developed meta programming, this stuff.
Ah.
While in this field, Common-Lisp remains the best available option. It will not die just because people can be interested in this. Okay, sudo.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, but it definitely seems like a little bit over the top.
Yeah.
For what we're trying to do here. Oh my god,
Okay,
so many files, dude.
Yeah.
3 days ago. Wow.
Yeah, it's bleeding edge.
Bleeding edge. There's only one guy doing it?
Yes.
Wow.
Well, no, not exactly one guy.
Really? Oh no, there are 5 contributors. Okay, sorry. Wow, that's cool. Okay, so they made a game in Lisp, completely in Lisp. Okay. But let's try the game kit one first because, like I said, it seems a little bit over
I
the
just
edge.
reinstalled the freshest SBCL possible, which again might still be bad because maybe they just have a bug that they haven't fixed yet, and so I should use the proper release. The proper what they released.
Yeah, but a guy on Discord said that it works, right?
Well, no, the guy in Telegram chat said that it works for him, but he used
the release one.
The release, yeah, he used the release one. Let me just see if I'm ready to reinstall the release one. If it's, let me ask him.
Da-na-na. I'm reading the getting started guide. I just want to know how to do the time management thing. Okay, that's what I want. Let's introduce some motion. Oh, okay, so his version of the game uses the time, but you don't have to, I guess. Second, third, and fourth element accordingly. Feel free to tinker, update position, changing how the position of the box is calculated. Just paste an update function back into the repo and you see changes instantly. How awesome is that? Okay, this might be a problem.
What's the problem?
Because my understanding, I may be misunderstanding, but my understanding is that he's mutating things in order to do the game loop. And the Tetris that we made is kinda like immutable in this sense because we basically just generate the new board after the position the move happens, and we just call the function recursively again, right? So we're not mutating anything per se. So maybe there's a way around this, but I'm gonna have to see how he's doing it. Yeah. But these are minor details, I guess. We're gonna have to tackle that. Quite cool, unlike this state chaining code in our draw method, GameKit has a special method to separate game-related logic that needs to be done per frame from the drawing routine. By default, it is just like draw, called each frame, but in a bit different environment.
So this is also broken, unfortunately.
Okay, so SBCL is broken.
Well, it's like I even checked the stack trace in this LTB, in this low level debugger for SBCL, and what I see there, I don't like I'm not sure if I understand that this is the SBCL issue necessarily and not in QuickLisp. Yeah, it's infinite loop in QuickLisp.
Okay, that's really cool. Yeah, I think this is not gonna be that hard to add the after we are done with the troubleshooting things.
Yeah, so the whole like the trivial game kit was inspired by if you know about it, it's called the Pygame library, I think. You know Pygame?
Um, I believe I already heard of it. Uh,
Yeah, so Pygame is like a library for creating this,
yeah,
simple games. So
yeah.
this one is similar to that.
Mhm.
Okay, so people are telling me this is an issue about my QuickLisp setup. I can show you. I can show you if you want to, because I mean this is
Sure.
correct. Like we're not doing anything. So here's the backtrace from the. See, this is the backtrace. So it has something is broken here, but like this is what's happening. Let me put this. Oh my god, how do I? Yeah. See, it has this infinite loop.
Ah, so this is a problem with your Quick Lisp?
Yeah, this is a problem with my QuickLisp because I think I have put too much stuff in there, too much distributions, and now it might mean that. It might mean that there's like a problem with. Okay, let me think. How do I technically speaking avoid this? How do I exactly?
This is so deja vu, dude. Like the first day we started Letris, 2 hours of debugging third-party things.
Well, it's just that see if I did some work before, I would have figured the problem out. If I for example, if I spent some time yesterday.
No, no, but that's I'm not complaining that you didn't do anything before. That's okay.
Yeah, like stuff usually works, but my setup is too advanced and your setup is not advanced enough, and we're stuck in this.
My setup is too advanced. Your setup is not advanced enough.
Yeah, like your
Hence,
setup
we have a
is.
problem.
Yeah, we have like this unsweet spot, or I don't know what to call it.
The beater
Of
spot.
yeah, bitter spot exactly.
I see, I see.
Oh, okay. So here's like okay, here is nouveau proposition. Just go. How do I rename a directory? You know,
Usually I
MV
do a
I think.
move.
Yeah, MV, then
Yeah,
a
but
directory name.
yeah, but you need to do move dash R, I believe, to be recursive or whatever. Let me try just
Oh,
try.
okay.
How to move all contents of a folder. And all files. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it is. Uh, oh no, no, we don't need
MV.
the dash R. You just do the star at the end. Like
Okay.
path to the folder slash star.
Okay, but if a folder is just slash star, so like everything
Yeah.
basically. Okay, and that will just okay. No
Yeah, you need to
matches
put a
found.
slash at the end of the destination directory as well, I believe.
Okay. Okay, let's see.
And then you add dash F if you want the hidden files to also move, apparently.
It says no matches found.
Really?
I can show you. Yeah, let me show you here what I do. So vterm whatever. So I want. Okay, so I go here. I want to do something like mv quickly
Star?
star quickly pack or something. Star something like this.
No, not star at the end. Remove this one.
Okay,
Go.
just like this.
Yeah. Oh, this is because the folder back doesn't exist. So there is a flag to do that as well.
Okay, I can.
Move.
No, I mean, I can just do this.
Is there a way
Let's,
to make a move that creates a directory?
okay, yeah, okay.
Dash
Let's
B,
see.
I guess.
I already just manually created it. Okay, So I did this. Now I have hidden my quick Lisp. Let me try to install it again manually. Fortunately, it's easy. I'll just do it here on stream because I mean, why not? So this thing, this other file we don't need. We have this thing. Yeah, and we want this. Oh, right, Emacs. P. Come on.
Yeah, it's so
Okay.
unexpected that there are multiple people answering your comments about this.
Oh yes, because I mean, what like? Okay, so quit. Okay. Now I have a new quick list.
Quick Lisp
Cool.
installation.
Okay, so this dice, we go here. We go like Sly. Okay. Well, quick load. Trivial. Game. Kit. System trivial game kit not found. Oh, right, because I don't have his. Yeah, right. Now it's fresh and I don't have his repo. Let me install it as well. I need to do. Where is it? Yeah, so this one I need to install this. Okay, and now I need to do this. Okay, let's see if something happens. Loading it. There can be another error, but like, you know.
Yeah, but let's just. Oh, it's doing things.
Quick Lisp. Really? Oh, wow, it's doing things. It's doing things indeed.
Quite a descriptive description. It's doing things.
Right, it's a descriptive description. Okay, yeah, and this error I was
Okay, so this is now an error about log4cl.
yeah. So I was somebody told me about this. Log4cl. There is an issue that some guy told me that it exists, and he said that he already fixed it. Log4cl. Let's see. Common-Lisp log4cl. I remember this library is shit. This log4cl thing. First of all, how do I fix it? There must be an issue here. Okay. So this one, want to go to yeah. CD quick Lisp, just local projects, and we git clone this thing specifically. Okay, now I just abort and I try again, and it works.
Okay, that's progress.
Yeah, I think this must be the last issue. Well, with the loading at least. Maybe we will face something more. GLFE loads. FlexiStream, of course, also. It just takes a lot of time now because I don't have any libraries pre-installed because I reinstalled my quick Lisp. So
Yeah.
but
Well, but that's progress. That's definitely progress.
yeah, it took us some time, but it's okay. This is what you call the installation dependencies hell or whatever.
Yeah.
So definitely. Okay, so okay, yeah, there we go.
It works! Okay, it took us almost exactly 1 hour. 59 minutes.
Yeah. Okay, let's try to, do something.
Yeah, okay.
Let me know.
So I believe I believe we can go try to read the getting started tutorial. I believe it's a good way.
Yeah.
So
So
if
no,
you go to that
this.
page, do you know where to find that?
Uh, yeah. So this one, you mean getting started? I'm
Yeah,
streaming
yeah,
by
yeah.
the way.
Okay, yeah, I can see your screen now. Okay, yeah, this one. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do, I believe, right, is to try to follow this step one by one and just add the code into our thing. You see what I mean?
Yeah. Can we like just
Yeah, let's
try
try
this?
that.
So we
Yeah,
do
let's go to the
this,
main file.
and
Oh, you're
then
gonna do it in
no,
the
no,
REPL. Okay.
yeah, in the REPL just like this. Boom. Yeah. So this exists. I can close it, and there we go. Canvas. Oh, I can actually, can I? Yeah, so can I do the stop thing as he
Yeah,
said?
this to the stop. I think that should work just fine.
Yeah, it closed. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And
Now
then
it's
we
the time
can,
that we make let's add that. Let's add that actually. Those configurations of the canvas, the width and the height in the beginning there.
oh,
Yeah.
this one's,
Yeah,
okay, yeah,
window configuration. Let's go to the main
let's now
file.
make a file. Yeah, yeah,
And we
let's,
need to add to the project whatever, right? This?
yeah, we need to put this in the dependencies. So like
Yeah,
this
there.
one, we go here, for example, we, we say depends on, uh,
Okay, so this is how you do that.
trivial game kit.
Awesome.
Yeah. So in fact, we can now go like here and say Letris. Okay, yeah. So we're here.
Theme package.
Oops, not a new thread in package. Letris. Yeah, and which file do you want this to be?
Main.lisp.
Draw.
Oh, no,
Oh,
no, 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 draw. Sorry, let's think about that. So this is canvas stuff. So let's put it in here. That makes sense.
yeah. Let's just do something like this. I don't know.
Yeah. That's okay. That's okay.
Experimentation zone. So, well, let's copy all this thing,
Yeah.
this whole thing, like starting from this here and this one as well. Just copy it here and see what we can do. So, well, this we don't need
Yeah, these
probably.
ones, these two will be in the main function, the stop
Yeah,
as
yeah, this
well.
one. Yeah,
Yeah,
but we
this is
need
what we
this.
want. Canvas width and canvas height. These are gonna live here for sure. Do you have to import the package in the beginning of the file? How that works?
Well, we already did the in package.
But don't you need to do in package of the trivial game kit?
No, well, because this one has a prefix with GameKit.
Ah,
So
okay, so it's like
if you want,
namespacing.
yeah, yeah, it's namespacing. If you
Ah,
want
okay.
to use it without namespaces, you'd have to do like change the dev package. But let's leave it
Yeah,
like
okay.
this for now. So we
Okay.
compile this. We compile this. We redefine this thing, and we run this GameKit start hello. Okay. Did it change anything? Well, I guess it shouldn't change much. Okay. Let's also do this and do this and do this and start the game. Yeah, well, that is a split screen.
Ah, that's awesome. So it's really easy to draw.
Yeah, although let's see this code. So draw rectangle origin, which is the, I think the
Mm-hmm.
coordinates. Black is, I guess, the color. So
Oh, it's
and this is
RGBA,
the
dude.
sign.
I guess.
RGBA.
Yeah.
What is A?
A is the what's the name? Oh man, I always forget the name of the A. One sec. RGBA. So RGBA is the color space. Red alpha. Yeah, the A is for alpha.
And what
And
does it do?
the alpha is um, transparency, I guess.
Oh, Okay. So let's see what else. This current box position, real-time seconds, update position. We update this draw method and we can start it.
What the?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, that's really cool. That's really cool. And oh, and you know what I want to? Oh, now it makes sense that the update position uses the time. Ah, okay.
Okay, so there we go.
There you go.
What's the...
Okay, I do
Oh,
have an
so
idea of what we can do then, I guess.
whoosh it moves. And let's actually, just play with it a little bit more. So let's read this code first. So there's this update position function that does this sub-second, which is what's this real-time seconds do? Real
It converts
time.
real time into another unit, I think.
Hmm.
Yeah, the
What time
number
is
is
it?
changing. You see there?
Yeah, let me think. So on this machine, when I switch between Windows and Debian, my time is always broken. And for now, for me, it says 2 a.m. Well, in fact, it's not 2 a.m. right now. Which is why, yeah, because it switches by 3 hours because the BIOS of my laptop doesn't like Debian, and so I have to manually switch it every time. But anyway, what's the get internal? Oh my god, sorry. Internal real time says. Yeah, I don't understand
Yeah,
this.
this is a
This is
number, whatever number related to time. We don't really need to go that deep about it. What I
yeah.
want to understand is where update position is being called. That's what I want to know. Oh,
This here.
there. I
You say
see.
definite game to draw, and then you update position, real time seconds, and then draw rectangle. So basically, I think it calls this.
Oh, the update position is mutating the X and the Y. That's how it does it.
Yeah,
Ah. Okay, then the question is, where is the X and Y GameKit namespace things are being defined then?
this one's
Yeah.
good question. Let's see. Game kit X. No such variable. Uh,
uh, maybe it is created in runtime, I guess?
well, I okay. So let's read what this says. We can do a couple of observations in this example. Blah blah blah. Okay. Now that expressions in 2D panels, specifically the size is applied to the. Okay, yeah. So this case, static black box anything but it's a for reducing motion. Functions X, Y, oh, oh, yeah. So, yeah, so, yeah, no, wait, so there's, okay, wait. You're wrong, there's no variable X and Y. These are not variables, these are accessors. So there's this position thing, which is current box position
Where is...
here.
Oh, it is that.
And then you can set its attributes X and Y, which I assume are by default 0,
Ah, I
0,
see.
by this.
Okay, so it's... Okay, I think I see what's happening there.
Yeah, what I don't understand is how often is this method being called? Like, is it called like every second or so? Because it says update position then draw. Okay, cool. But it does this, like it does this constantly. So it's being called every second or every 10th second? Like, this is what I don't understand.
Yeah, I also don't understand that. I also don't understand that. Well, theoretically speaking, for us, that kind of doesn't matter. Well, actually, it matters. Maybe the game will be too fast.
Yeah. So we want to have this, we want to drawing from the string, you just need to override game kit
Oh no,
draw
but to
string.
make it slower, we just do sleeps inside the game loop.
Well, maybe there is even a better way. Maybe there is a built-in way, which is what I want to discover.
Yeah.
Let's see. Cool. Unlike this state changing coordinate method, the increase special for the game goes.
Which is awesome.
Oh,
Like the
by the way,
separation is awesome.
yeah. So by the way, here's what I can do. I can do this, and I can do like that. And here's the thing.
Wow. So even the executable, like you don't even have to call it from the repo. If the window is
Yeah.
already up, it just updates it.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, this is the interactive part.
GameKit exports draw functions that can be useful to 2D drawing.
The channel moon looks into a sinus snake. Sinus snake.
That's kind of impressive. Because only that amount of code transforms that entire thing.
Okay, so we have this update position and oops. Okay, and then we have this like this.
I don't know what's doing it
Act.
differently.
Oh yeah, and now we need to also update the draw. Update position changed, but the draw didn't change. So let's change draw, and yeah, there we go.
Wow. Wait. I have a few questions though. So how are those functions draw and act being called actually? Do you know that?
What again? Say it again.
Yeah, because if you go back, we have a GameKit column draw and a GameKit column act. And that's cool.
Yeah.
But how are those functions being called? Where is the game loop? Where does the game loop lives? That's the question.
I think it's inside of this. Like, okay, so I think here's what happens. There's this macro def game, and it does a lot of stuff.
Oh, so you actually
is
you don't control the game loop. You only control the parts that it is being defined by the library.
yeah. I don't know if it allows you to control more parts of the game loop. This is a by game thing, so it might not give you this much freedom. This yellow bodge probably does, but this one.
Yeah, not that we need though. Like I'm just asking just for the sake of understanding, but I don't actually think we need that level of control for Tetris. It's just like doesn't require that fanciness.
To draw anything screen, you just need to override the yeah. So, yeah. So I think it doesn't expose the loop itself to give you this nice API.
Yeah.
Okay. So there is the cursor position.
Which we don't kind of. I don't. Do we care about the cursor position?
No, for Tetris we don't, so we can skip that.
No. But we need to discover how to grab buttons, dude.
Bind button.
Yeah, but this is the mouse one. We want like keys on the keyboard.
Right. Let's see. Describe. Game hit. What's it called? Bind button. Okay, so there's source file and stuff, but nothing else. But here's the thing. What if I just go to the source? Oh yeah, well, key. Alright.
Well, we could actually look at other games because there is a game that uses the keyboard. Not this one. The hello one only uses the mouse.
No. Read this. Combining action to kill mouse clicks using bind button functions. First starting with function is button to track. Possible values are mouse left, mouse right, and mouse middle. For mouse buttons and for keys you can use values such as A, B, C.
Ah, awesome.
Escapes.
So that's what we want, actually.
Well, I don't know, for example, how do I do the right, left, right, I guess. Left, right, up and down, I would assume, yeah.
Yeah.
This is the arrows.
Yeah, okay, so...
buttons state to assign action to, okay, so...
And you need to create variables for those keys. Okay,
Rest. Oh, wait. Why do you need to create variables for those
Yeah, the
keys?
head grabbed P, for instance, there. That starts as a
Oh, this
new,
is just
and then you just do a set F mutating it in the game kit bind button.
yeah, but this is I think not for the button. This is just for like this is just for his logic. I think he created this.
No, but we're gonna do something very similar. That's what I'm saying.
No, well, he did this to grab the head of the snake. We don't need something like that. We have one active piece on the screen at all times.
No, yeah, but do you agree that we're gonna have, like, my understanding is that we would make a variable starting as new, which would be the user input, right? And then we would make the game kit bind button to like arrow, like left, right, up, down, always setting the variable to these values. And then in the main game loop, we would look up to this variable to tell which action to take. Does that make sense to you?
Not really. No, I think it's well. I mean, this might work, but why don't we just say, okay, we bind buttons, left, right, and down, and whatever, to just specific lambdas that rotate the active piece.
Oh, I think I know what you mean. You're saying that when you do a bind button and you can bind a function, like there's the guy's doing a lambda, but you can put any function there.
Yeah. You can put any function. Well, you need this needs to be a lambda, but like inside can be anything.
Okay, that works. Actually, that works.
Yeah. Images.
No, but these are only for assets. We're not gonna tackle assets for now.
Well, yeah. Well, yeah. This allows you to like, I think it allows you to do colors and squares. What is this? How does he draw rectangle? Oh, draw rectangle. Okay, so it allows you to draw
Okay, so
rectangles,
what do you
which
think about that?
technically is enough.
What do you think about that? What do you think about us making a function now that maps an array of arrays and transforms that to the piece, like the drawing with rectangles piece? You know what I mean?
Yeah, I understand. Let's try.
Because we have the pieces already in 2D array mode. We just need to make a
Yeah.
function that maps that to, okay, give me the proper rectangle drawing version of that.
Okay, so let's remove like a lot of these. I think until these ones. Okay, so let me recompile the region here again.
This library is pretty cool. Like, you can do very cool stuff very quickly.
Yeah. Okay, so now it's just that. I think. Oh wait, not this. Where's it? The start. Yeah. So now it's just that.
Yeah.
Um.
Okay, so let's make a function now called, like, let's make a function that does this mapping that I just said. What do you think?
Yeah, let's do it. You drive for a while. You tell me what to write.
Okay, no problem. So it's gonna be a function called array to I don't know, draw array actually, draw array.
Okay, draw array.
This array, it's gonna receive one thing, which is an arbitrarily an array with any arbitrary number of dimensions, right?
Yeah. Okay, that's just array.
Yeah. So we're gonna do that, and the output of this function will be whatever the draw rect does, I believe. Does that make sense?
Yeah, sure. So we just draw rect basically inside of this, right?
Oh, we need the origin. So another parameter, we need the origin of it, I guess.
Well, origin is like starting.
Yeah, we need to pass that start as a parameter of the function.
Oh, okay. Let's do this. Origin.
Yeah. Okay. So can you go? This is draw. Can you go up that a little bit? Go to the beginning of this
Let's
file, I
just.
guess.
Oh no, not this. Instead, I want this, and here we go, like this here.
A little bit. I think you did too much. Can you keep going down? Oh no, it's not this 5. It's pieces.lisp that we want to go.
Okay.
Let's scroll down now a little bit, please.
Copy.
More. There. That's what we want. So our our thing is that we need to discover how to transform these not 2 by 2, sorry, 2-dimensional arrays, but I actually want to do it for any dimensional array, right? So the first thing that I think we need to do is to do a destructive binding, right? We need to discover the dimensions of this array.
Yeah, so we can do destruction bind like m and these are bad names, but whatever array dimensions array. Well, actually just
yeah, let's actually just do for any bidimensional array, right? Let's not try to do it
so
for.
if we don't know, then let's just let the dimensions something like this.
Yeah. Okay, now we need to do also a loop, I guess, right? We need to loop because the dimensions would tell us the size, how many for loops we need. The dimensions, right? The dims.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then for each dim, we need to discover how many, right? Now we have 2 dimensions, but in the first dimension we have how many?
Yeah. So the dim is.
The dim is the dimension, right?
Yeah.
How many? Now it's another loop here then.
Okay.
For I don't know, I.
Right. For I from I guess 0
to dim. Yes.
Is it duo or below? I think it's below.
I think it's below actually.
Yeah.
And then inside this internal loop, we're going to do the drawing now, right?
Okay.
So for each one of them, now we need to define what is the size of like a single pixel, right?
Yeah, single pixel is easy because it's the set thing. Like we can just do the depth.
No, but we don't want to do it to be literally a single pixel because that's going to be probably too small
sure.
for the game.
What I'm saying is
that's cool. That's good. Good idea.
Single
pixel.
Okay, single pixel. Pixel.
Yeah.
It's game kit. I need to fix my. Okay. What's the size?
I want to do 50 by 50 based on the window that you opened before.
50 by 50?
Yeah, because the one that we saw before is 100 by 100, right?
Yeah, I think it's big as fuck.
Yeah, so 100 by 100 is too huge. I was thinking, okay, 25 by 25 then? What do you think?
I would say it's 30 by 30, 25 by 25, something like that.
Yeah, okay, that's pretty good.
How do I, how does it specify, how do I specify the size? What the fuck?
What do you mean by the size? It's just now the numbers, no? 25, 25? Or 30, 30 or whatever?
Oh, you mean like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now going back to the function that we were before. Hello?
Yeah, I'm thinking.
Okay.
So the size of this goes like that. It has this origin, right, which is a dot, which is coordinate, and then you just pass into numbers.
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay.
Okay, let's just do this. So instead of this, I'll say 25.
Yeah, okay. We can. The pixel is a square. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, and we have the origin though. So now we're gonna have to do the drawing that I forgot already. Yeah, grab that line, please.
Yeah. So here I go like this.
Oh, there's another problem. Okay. So we need also to pass to the draw array function the array, the origin, and the color of what we want to draw.
Okay, fair enough. And well, the color can be just
This is going to be an attribute of the object of the piece.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, fair enough. I mean, I can like. Okay, yeah, fair enough.
No, if you have a better idea, just share. I'm not dictating the best.
No, I'm thinking like what I'm saying. Let's try to draw it like in black everything for me.
Okay.
Because so this is origin and this is.
This is gonna be single pixel. Yes.
Single pixel.
Yeah. And there's another gotcha as well. After we draw, we need to mutate the origin. You see why?
No. Oh,
Okay.
oh, yes, 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 of course, yes.
Yes, awesome. So
Yeah,
now
okay.
it's that and then a setf, I guess.
Well,
So we need a
yeah,
program, I guess.
yeah. Let me think. So the origin is just dot, so we can do this thing, something like this, but like different. And we also need to. Okay, so here, I'll do something with var white
Mm-hmm.
game kit vec 4, which is, I assume, is just this, 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 or maybe
Yeah,
it's just 0,
yeah,
0, 0, 0.
I was thinking about doing all zeros because if alpha is actually the
Yeah, yeah,
transparency, we want just to use the background color, right?
yeah. So here, for these pieces, what I think we should do is for 0 it should be white, and for 1 it should be black.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So for well, the dimension, what we do is we do something, smarter than that. So
Yeah. Aref.
yeah, well, arf of array with what coordinates?
The we want to grab the first dimension, not the first dimension, the dimension that we are looping, so dim, right? And then that will give us an array, and then there we use I again. We like an aref and another aref later. You see? I
No,
guess. Okay,
no,
so
wait, let me think. So the thing with the, like, I'm thinking right now, the thing with the multiple dimensions is that if, for example, for 2D objects, we need a loop inside a loop. But for 3D objects, I would assume we would need a loop inside a loop inside a loop,
for 3D objects, we will need a loop inside a loop inside a loop. Yeah.
And for 4D, you'd need a loop inside a loop inside a loop inside a loop, and so on and so forth.
Yeah.
So this one's like,
Okay, so let's actually just, instead of draw array and try to be 100% generic, let's only draw
yeah,
matrix. What do you think?
yeah. This is what I was going to suggest. So this one, and then here we can do the destruction binds. This I understand. So for I below M and
I think we should also change the
for
name of array to matrix.
right.
Just an Emacs tip, you could use Control D there, I guess. Oh, but you're
Oh yeah,
using
maybe.
Vivo mode, right?
Yeah, maybe
Oh, so
mode.
I don't know.
So
I don't
like,
know then, sorry.
so for below N, and then we do something. If now this is gonna be like that.
Yeah, but instead of array is matrix, right?
Oh yeah.
And we need to do the if will check if the if will check like if it's 0 already, like C, or we need to do a comparison. Yeah,
Yeah.
we need to do the comparison. Okay.
So if it's 0, we do the, well, this, and then we need to.
Maybe it's a better idea to, instead of doing that, we doing a let first, and then inside the let we do the if, just to define the color, because the command is the same. You see?
Oh, like,
Yeah, instead of boilerplating it twice, we do a let that has an if inside,
why should be a let?
because you're gonna do let color to draw, and then
Oh,
inside the parentheses you do that if.
oh, okay. So you're saying like let color is like, and then yeah, so this is gonna be just white,
Yep.
otherwise black.
Yep.
All right, and then inside of this we do the, okay, that's a good catch. So we don't need this. And this one goes here.
Yeah, and then instead of there, you just put color there.
Okay. And
Is that it?
now,
And we need. Oh,
well,
now we
no,
need to
we need
mutate
origin. Yeah,
the
no,
origin.
the origin. So origin goes like.
Single pixel.
Oh yeah. So inside this inner loop, it goes
Yes.
like. Inc.
What is
Keep
incf increment?
Yes, in increments.
Ah.
This x. Is it x or y?
No, 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 no. This is not. This is not the same as they are doing there. What?
I think it's the same, no?
Wait. I'm a little bit confused. Is
So I
origin
would
equal to
expect
position? The type? Because
origin.
yeah, you are grabbing from line. Oh man, I can't see because it's too compressed in Discord. But line 80, 84, 84? No,
84.
no, 83. Sorry, yeah, there. You're grabbing the X and the Y in position, right? On those lines.
Yes.
Are you assuming that position is the same as origin?
Well, position is update position is current box position. Okay, so current box position, you can check it. It's current
Oh, it is a
box
vec
position.
2. Oh
It's
no,
a
I
vec2,
think.
yes.
Oh, never mind. You're right. So just keep doing what you're doing before.
Okay, so this goes like
Yeah,
this
that.
here, and then here we go like again. Maybe it's the opposite, but like let's see
Yeah,
game
the
cube.
the 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 mindset is correct. It is something like this. Yep.
Yeah.
So let's try to read this. So you first
Let's.
increment x because we're gonna move
Oh.
in terms of columns. And then you increment in terms of y because then we're gonna move to the next row.
Oh, and we need to reset.
Oh yeah. Good catch.
Yes, so set f. Otherwise, it would go,
Yeah.
game.
It'd be like a stairs, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, to what it was, originally.
Yeah, that's a problem. So I think we maybe need to save those in the beginning
Yeah,
before the
we need
loop.
to say, let's. Well, wait. Do we need to save those before the? Oh, we need to save those before the loop. Before which loop? Mystery. We need to say. Do we need to
Oh,
save them
between them,
here?
between them. It's between them. Between
But
the two
do
loops
we
you
need
save.
to? Yeah, yeah. But do we need to maybe? You know, do will we need to save the y again at some point?
Do we
To
need to
reset the y
do we need to reset the y?
at some point maybe. I don't know.
No, I don't think so. Because the y we never used from the start. The x we do because we need to go back each row, right?
Yeah. Okay. So let's say that. Okay. So like.
Yeah, after this, yeah, before the next loop, we do a let and save.
So here.
Here,
I
yeah.
was. Yeah. Let's
Previous x,
grab x
yeah.
is again hit x of origin.
Yeah.
Is it this? Okay.
Do you
So.
have indentation in Emacs
Yeah. I
for
have
Lisp?
yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yeah, so it should be okay.
Yeah. This is how it works.
Okay, and then
And
we
then
just put
here.
there the prevex. Imagine if. Okay, so.
Oh yeah, because this is not inside the let. It should be inside the let. Like this. Yeah.
Okay,
But
so now the
it's
problem is we need to plug the draw matrix inside the.
Yeah.
Um,
So well.
we don't need update position.
Yeah. We can just remove this whole thing here and then just write our thing. So I would say that Draw matrix.
The matrix is going to be any of the pieces that we have in the file above.
Yeah, so let's say, what is this? Oh, well, in our code,
No,
we
but
use
there's
the
a
matrix.
function called spawn piece.
Yeah, but it spawns the class with the, like, what you made is not a,
Oh
you know.
yeah, this is not only a two-dimensional array, no.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so before drawing the matrix, you do a let, spawn the piece, and then you do the draw matrix, calling the make representation.
Let's just extract it here. So it's called, what's this called? What's the class called? It has kind, pose, and representation,
We
right?
shouldn't, no, we shouldn't do the let inside the draw matrix because I want to use this function for the board as well.
Oh, okay, fair enough. So here we do the let representations
Make representation.
Make representation?
Yeah, there is a function called make representation.
What does it do? Okay. So make representation, and then I say kind, which is let's try to draw a S piece.
Yeah.
S piece for now. And
oh
then
boy, we're getting there.
representation,
and the origin can be
origin,
0 or whatever.
We call this origin, for example.
Oh, wait. 0 is the bottom left corner.
Oh yeah, we don't want that. So let's change it.
No, but this is not something that we can change. This is the convention that the library uses, dude.
Well, yeah, I mean, no, it's this.
No, it is this. But the fact that we saw in our demonstration before that when it starts at 0, it draws on the bottom left. That means that they are using 0 is considered to be the bottom left. Do you agree?
Yes.
But what do we need to do? What do we need to do? We need to reverse that, right? We want to be at the bottom left. No, the top left, right?
Oh, I want to be. Yeah. What's your convention? It's the top left. So. Oh. Yeah. So.
I think we need we change the math to not be incrementing and actually be decrementing or whatever. Actually, let's just try it. Let's just see what happens.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna break, but that's fine. It gleamed. Yeah, it was very fast, but something wrong happened there.
Yeah.
Now I couldn't even see it.
Yeah, I couldn't even see it as well.
Interesting. So what is the problem?
Oh, wait. Let me think. Oh, of course. Yeah, here. Origin.
The heck? Oh,
It's
you need to reset that?
The origin. We need to reset that. So let me do it stupid way. Set
origin 0.
Yeah, I'm not saying that this is how it should be done, but like.
No, that's fine.
I want to see the piece. So this one. And origin. Okay.
Dude.
Well, I think it's like mirrored, but whatever.
Can you put this window a little bit more to the right?
Okay.
So the S piece, it is mirrored.
Yeah.
And we are doing the line blank is on the top instead of being the bottom as well. You see?
Yes.
So it is mirrored, and it is vertically mirrored and horizontally mirrored. I guess.
Yes.
We need to undo that. So that's probably because of the math.
Yeah, that's probably because of the math. But at least the thing is there.
Can you print screen this and just send it into the Letris channel in Ping Magueta, just for the sake of it?
Okay. Yeah, it's really dumb. Okay, so let's see. What is that?
Letris is there.
Okay, yeah. I get how do I say it? What's the English phrase?
What do you want to say?
Observe.
Observe.
Oh shit! It's not this. I think I need to like plus this and then
Upload a file, I guess.
upload the file and then screenshot.
Yes! We can draw. Oh, that is exciting, dude. This is really exciting.
Yeah, it looks stupid as fuck now that I look at it, but
Okay, let's go. Let's fix the two things there. So how
one
gonna
second.
fix that?
Let me AFK for a minute.
Okay.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay. So now the only thing that we need to do is to fix the math to not be reversed.
Yeah, we can actually start it and just like try to compile stuff and see if it works.
Yeah. And we can also use the board to draw. It's the same function. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's think about that. So instead of going... Oh yeah, it's just reversing the loop. Instead of actually starting from 0 to m and from j to n, we start from n minus 1 to 0 and m minus 1 to 0, right? Do you see what I mean?
I'm thinking, well,
Instead of redoing the math, we just reverse the way that we are iterating through it.
but I think only one should be reversed. Only one dimension should be reversed, no?
Wait,
Because to the right, we will still want to increment, no?
to the right, we still want to increment.
Let's try doing what you said.
Yeah, I don't know. I think you're right in the sense that it makes more sense, but just want to see if this works.
Okay, so
From m minus 1, yes, to 0.
Yeah, so it goes down to 0.
And then the same thing for the other one, but instead of m is n.
I'm I'm typing with one hand because with another hand I'm eating a banana.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah,
Okay.
and then just recompile this and let's see.
Yeah.
And
Oops, not the right screen. Well,
okay, we fixed the horizontal mirroring, but we didn't fix the vertical mirroring.
yeah, we fixed the horizontal. Oh yeah, we fixed the horizontal mirroring, but we didn't fix the vertical. Why didn't we fix the vertical
Let me
mirroring?
think about that. Um,
No, wait, we fixed the vertical. We didn't fix the horizontal.
no, we didn't fix the vertical because the S piece, it is literally vertically mirrored, right? If you look at the other screen.
Oh, okay. I think we just okay. Yeah, we think about the same thing, just different terms. Anyway,
Okay.
yeah. What I'm saying is the bottom line is okay now.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
But the things the right the in terms of left and right it's reversed, right?
Yeah.
So now let's think why that's the case. So now that we are going from m-1 to 0, that means that we're starting from the bottom, like the 0 0 down there on the
Oh
right.
wait. So, hmm, hmm. Okay, no, I don't understand. Hmm. Okay, so our origin is 0 0, right?
Origin 0 0.
Hmm.
And then you go up. Yeah, I don't understand. I don't understand why it is. Wait.
Origin is 0 0. I'm just stupid because
Oh
it's
no no no
late
no!
and.
It is reversed. Okay, I think I can explain. So,
Mm-hmm.
do you agree that now that we are going from like we m-1 and n-1 to 0 0 both, we are starting from the bottom, right? In on the pieces.lisp up there. We are starting from the
Yeah,
zeros
from
at the bottom, right?
yeah, we're starting
After
from this one
after we are
specifically.
done, after we're done with this row, which element of the next row we will be doing first?
I think this one.
Exactly. Go back to the drawing now. Go back to the window. Which one is the first one from the left to the right? It is
Okay,
empty,
so
you
I think
see?
this one. Oh yeah, so oh yeah, okay, yeah.
So
So we need to maybe do that what I said. So like
yes, we can
we just
we need to,
go
we can't escape not doing the math, I guess.
okay. There we go.
Oh, okay, that works actually.
Yeah, so that's what I was thinking.
Oh, okay, sorry for that. I misunderstood then. Okay, so we know how to draw pieces, any piece. Can we try the other pieces as well, just for the sake of
Yeah,
it?
I wonder if I can like um um how do I tell it to well okay no we can try to draw like what else what is interesting piece J piece yeah
J. Yeah. Aha.
what's happened with the I piece for example okay cool what about O piece okay cool and what else is there
Yeah, at the we at some point you're gonna have to make like special rectangles, right? Because right now you cannot see the blocks because they are continuous, right?
well yes
We're gonna have to make a
yeah,
special rectangle with like borders and stuff like that, but that's minor details.
yeah let's see if there's more what is there except draw rectangle like I wonder
Oh, that's a good question. Can you use autocomplete for that?
yeah we can use a game kit we'll draw arc circle curve ellipse image line polygon polyline react text so not much because this is a pie game like stuff but in CL Watch I assume there's more
Um, okay, given that we have that, can we combine stuff? Can we combine two rectangles, for instance? Like, is that a thing? Can we merge stuff? How do you do that? Huh? Because if if you can't interact two rectangles, and we want to make
What
a
do you mean
rectangle with a
combine?
border,
Oh yeah.
I believe we're gonna have to use an asset. Like we're gonna have to create an image of a brick.
Yeah. Well, this has a draw image, but let's see. Static black box and everything.
No, it is there. Assets,
Details.
images. I think that's what we want.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I wonder if it has more than this guide. User manual. Okay, let's see user manual. Define the game math drawing. Okay, so draw image.
Rotate.
Okay.
Doesn't seem.
Plain audio, etc. Yeah, might be not. Let's see what else is there. Game kit. Merge. Nope.
Bind. Add. There's an add.
Well, add is, I don't know, arc 0 and what is this? Describe game kit add.
Math add.
I think it's it's about the math, so it's just his own addition or something.
Yeah, so I guess the easiest way to make fancy bricks is just to have an image and just draw an image instead.
Yeah.
Okay,
Well,
that's cool.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, that's okay. That's not the end of the world.
I can ask him what is the.
Yeah, the fact that you can ask him is cool, is awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So we know. We know
Okay,
that.
so we don't need this. I think we don't need this, and we don't need this, and we don't need. Well, this we can always copy.
Yeah, we can always copy from the thing there.
And this we also don't need.
Okay, we need the canvas, we need the game mechanics, the definition of the game, the black and the white. I would suggest, instead of calling it white, we call it transparent.
Right. What is it? Replace. Cool white. Transparent.
Yeah.
Oops.
Yeah, cool. Okay, now it's just a matter of also let's do that as well here. Update the draw matrix to we can pass the color as a parameter as well, because then we're gonna be each piece. We're gonna just do that now. We're gonna enhance the class.
Wait, but
have a color.
like, well, here is the difference. So, for example, here I say, oh.
Yeah, instead of black, it's gonna be the color that we're gonna pass as a parameter. You can rename this to color to draw, for instance, this one.
Oh, okay, yeah. So color, and this is gonna be color to draw something.
Yes, exactly. And then you call here color to draw.
And then here I just say.
And then you pass the color here. Yeah.
Yeah.
And why that's awesome? Because in the case of a board, the pieces will be black. So we're going to be able to differentiate the pieces that are embedded in the board and the pieces that you're controlling is colorful, you see? Yeah, now it's not going to compile because we need to pass the black there.
Yeah.
Yep.
Transparent. Oh yeah, I didn't compile this. Okay, does it work now? Or did I break something? Yeah,
yeah, we break something.
Yeah, because I compiled it with different number of arguments, and I forgot to stop. But anyway, it works. We saw how it works.
Okay, now let's do what I just said. Let's go to pieces.lisp and let's enhance the class to have a color now.
Right. So, well, you mean this.
Yeah.
Just add the color.
Yep.
Init arc.
And then
is
init
gonna
can
be
be
color.
black.
And then init form can be black.
Yep. And the accessor also can be color, I guess.
Yeah. Am I reading it? Oh no, accessor color.
I think
Okay.
we need to add. Oh no, that's correct. That's exactly what we want.
Okay,
Now we
let's
need to make a
see.
function that is close, that is similar to make
Draw
representation.
is the first. Okay, so draw is the first one, then P-system logic. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
What
So
you saying?
we need to do a function that is similar to make representation, but is get color or whatever.
Well, oh, right, because you want like different pieces to have
Exactly.
like
Different colors, of course.
different color, but like the same piece should always have the same color.
Exactly.
Okay. Yeah. We can do that. Oh, well, let's just skip this for now because I have what is the next thing that you want to do?
Okay, so the next thing that we want to do, we need to discover how to plug the game loop that we have in main.lisp to the game loop that the library uses. That's the next step. So,
Okay,
for instance,
and
we
let
go
me
to
think about that.
we go to
Right.
main.lisp and then we see, okay, what is the first thing that we are doing there? And then we try to port that to how the library handles it. And I believe the first thing that we do in the main.lisp game loop is to get the input from the user. That's the first. And the
To get
reason
the
we do
input
that,
from the user.
yeah. Can we go there just to double check because I don't actually
You
remember for
mean
sure.
the main? Yeah, sure. So it's this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do like
So you
clear
get the user
input.
movement, you see there?
Yeah.
So the user movement will do, and after that we call a function called attempt to move. Attempt to move will not exist anymore because we're going to go with the route that you set before, which we're going to do a bunch of binds, and then those binds we already call the functions that attempt to move will try. You see?
Yeah.
So the attempt to move function, if you don't remember, that grabs the input, and depending on the input, it attempts to do some sort of action, like moving to the right, to the left, or
Yeah.
rotation.
Yeah. Yeah.
But instead of doing that,
Yeah.
we're gonna do the bind button that the library uses.
Well, but the idea will still be the same. You would still, well, like
And
you
the
would
routing will
still,
be different only.
yeah, but like we'll still attempt to move depending on the, depending on the input, we would still attempt to move though.
Yeah, can you go there to the attempt to move? I already forgot which
Yeah.
file it is. I think it's logic.
Can I just, yeah, just
Okay.
go to source?
So we call a function called move adjustments.
Which I believe is, yeah, here.
Yeah. So let me refresh your mind on what these things are doing. So the move adjustments, it is creating a piece, applying the function that you provide, right? And then it check if it found a collision, and if it did, and if it did or not, we're gonna do something depending on that. If it didn't do a collision, we're gonna actually do update the setf on those things there.
Yeah.
And the change chords, which is being used as well in the attempt to move. That is a way that is very easy to do, like go to the right, go to the left, or like just using the lambda there.
Yeah.
So how are we going to do that using the
Yeah,
library?
I'm trying to think about how to merge this draw function with the game loop. And what I'm thinking, let me check the docs again.
No, but the drawing, no, but those they don't touch each other. If you go back to the get started, you're going to see that the author specifically made a way that you can separate the drawing from the logic. He calls the logic acting.
Acting?
Yeah, so if you can go up a little
Input?
more. Uh, wait. I think we. Yeah, there. This is quite cool. Unlike the state changing code in our draw method. GameKit has a special method to separate game-related logic that needs to be done per frame from the drawing routine.
Act. Oh, I see. I missed this. By default, it is just like draw called each frame. Oh, each frame. So draw called each frame. Okay. But in a bit different environment. All non-rendering tasks should go here. There.
Yeah, so there's an example with this new mechanic. So this game act, no, GameKit column act, this is the one now doing the update position, as you can see there. Instead of doing everything in the drawing, and then you just draw later, right? And this is exactly what we want.
Yeah, I'm trying to think. So it does the update position, and then this just draws this curve thing.
Exactly.
Which is just like...
Yeah, the update position is using the curve as well. It's doing an aref on the curve.
Do you actually understand how this interacts?
Yeah, so the my understanding is that it calls first, like the framework calls first the act, and then
I think and then draw. Basically.
And then draw.
Okay, yeah.
Which is a quite common pattern in game development, as far as Nathan told me.
Okay.
So what we want to do is basically the same, but we need to understand how the attempt to move function will work in this regard. I actually have a test dry. I actually have an idea of how to test. Can we go back to the code?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so let's go to the logic.lisp now and let's import.
We're there.
Yeah, okay. Can you copy paste the bind button that we have in the getting started?
Yeah. So bind even this example.
Yeah. But instead of mouse left, we're gonna do the left arrow or right arrow or whatever.
Yeah. Okay, so
well, I'm not a fan of arrows in Tetris because the Z is the one that does the rotation, so I prefer WSD.
Okay, WSD. So let's say this is just A.
A, yes. Then, after you do that, you're gonna call
what are the options? Pressed, released, and repeating. I think. Well,
pressed.
Okay, let's click pressed. Yeah.
Okay, so inside the lambda there, can you go now? Can you open in the screen on the bottom? Can you open the attempt to move function?
So in the draw. Oh yeah. So we're in the draw and we want to go to the logic, I think.
Yeah.
And then
attempt to move. So what we want is to copy paste the code that the A is in this doing on the switch case. We want to put inside the lambda on the bind button.
Okay, so basically like this.
Yeah. Now it comes now it comes a very important thing. The piece and the board on the attempt to move function, that those are things provided by the as parameters, as you can see there.
Yes.
What we need is, instead of doing the move adjustments to that, we need actually to use the global ones. So go back to the main in the screen on the bottom. Go back to the main.lisp.
Wait, let me think.
We want to use the global ones.
Well, why do we need to use the global ones? Oh, because there is no, like, they don't exist. But
yeah.
Is it good that we need to use the global ones?
That's a question. That's a question. Like, I would ask if this lambda needs to be a lambda unit, right?
Yeah,
if this lambda can receive stuff.
Let's see what it says. Well, bind cursor can receive stuff.
Yeah, but this is probably because it's a mouse. So maybe it's not. You cannot have 100% freedom on that.
This one's also empty.
Actually, that's another question that you can ask your friend after we are done today. You can ask, what's the best practice to do this? And then you show the code.
Yeah, okay.
Let's just use the global ones just for now. So I don't forget. Yeah. I don't remember the name of the global one. So if you can go to main.lisp.
Yeah. So let me think. So let's do this for now. And main.
So it is test board and test piece instead of piece and board.
Test This test board.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now grab this bind button, copy paste 4 more times. No, three more times, yes. We're gonna do
Yeah,
the
right.
same for the other keys now. So in
Well,
the
actually, just
just,
3 more times because we don't go up when we
but we
go.
rotate.
Okay, yeah, fair enough, fair enough. So like this,
Yep.
and then we go
We
here.
go
It's,
W and
well, yeah, we will need to do like the thing
exactly.
here. So it's D and V and
S.
A S. Okay.
Yeah.
And V is okay, yeah, and V is rotate. So
And then you just grab those lines there and change piece and board to the global ones as well.
yeah. So D goes here, and this goes here, and this goes here.
Yeah.
And I changed this stuff.
Yeah, and then you change the other ones as well. Okay. Okay, this is a lot of progress.
Well, let's make it work first.
No, this is a lot of progress. Even if it doesn't work, the fact that we already have the mapping, like at least on our minds, of okay, this part needs to be a bind button on the library. This is already progress. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's continue on now on the right
wait.
bottom on the main.
I need to restart it because it's broken. So let me restart it and just load the thing. Yeah, now it loads.
And
Input can only be
breaks.
bound when GameKit is started. Oh,
What's the problem?
it's this one, I think. So, did I put it here and nowhere else? Okay, so let me, for example, comment this out. Yeah.
And why it's not working in the library is not working on that file?
No, it works on that file. I didn't comment it whole out. I only commented out this ones.
Yeah, but those are the ones that uses the library.
Yeah. And so like now I think it will work. I don't know, will it? Input can, see what it says is input can only be bound when the game kit is started.
Oh, wait. Is logic being done first instead of the draw?
All right, let's see. Let's see with the order.
But I think logic
So
is the
first
last
is
one. Yeah, that
draw.
doesn't make.
No,
I'm really confused. Really confused. Oh, we don't have a
no,
start command. We
wait.
don't have a start.
No, not only we don't have a start command, we don't have def game.
No, that we do. It is in the draw.
Oh, it's in the draw. Is it? Yeah, it's in the draw.
But we don't do start on it. That's the problem, apparently. That's really weird. You need to have the start being done before.
No, I don't think that's an issue. Let me think. Is it? Like I didn't do this. So I'm here. I compiled this. Well, let me go to the, where is it? The draw. Oh wait, the logic.
Input can only be bound when game kit started. Yeah,
Okay,
so I think we
let me try
need to.
started. I really doubt it, but let's try. Okay, so I do this and I close it. No, see?
No, you need to have it running, dude.
Okay, well that's unlikely, but try it. Okay. Undefined variables x and y. Oh, undefined variables x and y, by the way.
Undefined. Oh, can you go back to the attempt to move?
Yeah, attempt to move. Where is it? It's in the logic, I think.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
this. Oh yeah, there. So we need to in every single lambda we need to deconstruct do exactly these lets, but instead of piece you're gonna use test piece.
All right. So basically, also I don't need this comment now,
Yeah,
but
we don't need the comment as well.
okay, it moves, but never
We are
mind.
lacking. Oh no, your Emacs is already fixing the parentheses.
Yeah.
And he said no, no
Piece.
piece, test piece.
No, yeah, no piece. This piece.
Yeah, and then you do the same for the other ones.
Okay, can I like? Uh, I wanna like already move a little bit, but of course it doesn't work because the where is it in the draw? Yeah, it's in the draw because we only draw the we
Oh
draw
no, no,
this and
yeah,
we
but this is not. No, no, this is we're not using this yet.
yeah we're not using this. Yes.
We need to actually. We're not gonna see the effects of pressing A because we need actually to change the drawing as well. Like the draw is not. We need to draw the board and stuff like that. This is not ready yet. That's why
Yeah.
you can't see the changes of this yet. Assuming it works, right? Assuming it works.
Yeah, well, the idea is there, but I don't like that we need to. This is what I want to ask.
Sure.
That we need to. How do we you know
Make it immutable, right?
no make it like not no it's less about the variables global variables which I'm also gonna ask, but like how do we make the bind button work and not during the when it's already started.
Oh yeah, that's a good question. You don't need the let in the W case. I'm sorry for that.
Yes, this one we don't need. You are correct.
Okay. Now, assuming these things work, which we can't see on the window yet because, like I said, we need to draw the board.
Yeah.
Uh, so now, going back to the game loop on the right. So after we get the user movement and we check if we succeeded.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yes, dude, that's actually a thing. So the attempt to move actually returns true or false for us. Uh-huh. Hmm. Okay, I think we're gonna, at least for now, we're gonna have to have a success global variable. I believe.
Success? Oh, as in, you know, if the move has succeeded.
Exactly.
Okay.
And why that? Because if the move succeeded, that means that we are now capable of gluing the of checking if you can glue the piece to the board. Like, oh, you reached the bottom of the board. Now it's time to glue, right? It's what it means to glue. It means that a piece will now be part of the board, right?
Yeah, I understand this.
Um, right.
Okay.
So so
How
the
much time do we
actually
have, by the way?
we don't have much more time. We already spent 13 extra minutes on it.
Yeah. This is what I wanted to say because I want to go. Like, I need to go to sleep. Like, and I
Okay,
need
I'm
to eat
sorry for that.
something.
I forgot.
No problem.
Just
I
save
was also
everything. You are also what?
I was also very much in the process, but like I just feel that I'm hungry and I'm like
Yeah, no, that's
I need to eat
completely
something.
understandable. I'm sorry that I forgot that it's like I don't know, 3 a.m. or whatever for you.
No, it's not 3 a.m. I think it's just what is it? No, it's just 00.
Oh, midnight. Okay, just save all buffers of the project and just commit, right? I
Yeah.
think
This is
we
what
did a
I've
bunch
been
of
doing.
progress today. We managed to understand to install the library at least in a Debian-based system, and we managed to also start mapping the game loop that we made without a library to the library version, which is awesome. Awesome.
Okay,
I'm very
so
pleased by that.
status. So all of this. Okay, and can I commit? Yeah, commit. So we do this, and here we do this stuff, and here we do this. Okay. Initial drawing pattern.
There's your well. Oh, that's okay.
Origin main. And now I have to.
Yeah, you can
It's
stop
not
sharing
all.
your screen also, by the way.
Yeah. Right. Change windows. So I'm just gonna stream this.
Okay, I'm gonna finish the stream now also, by the way. So
Okay.
bye.